Assalamu alaikum dear viewers, kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Jazakallah. Dear viewers, today I'm going to tell you how to access old YouTube Studio. So let's start. Scroll down and go to this audio library section. Then again at the right corner click your channel icon and click this Creator Studio. When you will click it, you will see that you have landed to old YouTube Studio, and you can see your desired settings here. You can see status of your channel, you can see analytics, and do whatever you want to do here. So I hope you liked my video. Do subscribe my channel for more beautiful videos. Thank you very much.